Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about what is a website, how to start with website development, web development, what is HTML, what is CSS, and it's a broad introduction about this. So, without much ado, I have here what I can what I can call a website is a collection of web pages accessible on the internet under common domain name. We usually see this kind of www.google.com, .youtube.com. Uh, like those are websites, and also it is hosted on a server and it can be viewed using a web browser. Uh, I think you guys know web browsers like Chrome, Firefox. We also have Brave and so many others. A website can be static or fixed, and it can also be dynamic, or what we can call interactive and data driven. We have various types of websites where we have personal website, business websites, e-commerce websites, social media websites, educational, and also some news websites and so many others. Yeah. So while programming or while we are developing websites, you will see this kind of words HTML. You will also see this kind of word CSS. An HTML is a hypertext markup language. It stands for markup language for creating web pages and defines the structure and content of the web content using tags and elements. So the HTML, it gives the structure of the content, while CSS stands for cascading style sheet. It also describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen. Yeah, and the paper. It goes with those coloring, styling, some animations. Yeah, okay. As I was saying, we have HTML, CSS. We also have something called JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language. It's a versatile interpreted programming language, primarily used to add interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. Also used in server-side development and other applications. So this will like resumes our notes about uh, website, about HTML, about CSS and JavaScript. Those were definitions. And also I have this example. Like as you can see here, HTML is like this, a structure, but doesn't have some doesn't have body, like doesn't have muscles, no clothing, just structure. And HTML, when we add CSS, we have these muscles, we have this physical human with everything. And JavaScript, what it does, it's adding some dynamic features, like doing what we do, like singing, we can work, we can do everything. Yeah, this is a small illustration on them. Uh, these are some lessons why we need to learn HTML and CSS. HTML is the foundation of the web. Yeah, it helps in flexibility and control, accessibility, integration, career opportunities, easy to run. That's why we need to learn HTML. Also, we need to learn CSS because they help us in styling, responsiveness of our website, efficiency, frameworks, integration, and also CSS. For sure, it is very easy to learn. Yeah, but here I'm going to show you how you can start with your we can start with your CSS and HTML. You can create your first web page. To create your first web page, what you need to do is to come here. You open your text editor. I'll show you another video of how to install VS Code as your text editor. Uh, just check in our next video. So you come here, you open your text editor. It is VS Code. Then you come here, open new folder. I just created it. It is here, first web page. Then you select the folder. Trust the authors. Then in this folder, you're going to create a file called index.html. Now, as you can see here, this is our first file of HTML. Also add another folder, another file called style.css. Reaching here, okay, this is how you set up your first files. Then you need to type like this, then you press tab. This is how it is going to be looking like. Then you need to connect to link your HTML and CSS. So you came here, and this is the title. Then you type link. Then this is used to link your HTML file and CSS. Now they are linked. So you can change this title to keep on building, don't you lose your fight. From the first line to the final bite, we gon' make it as cold as life. Like this. This is the head of your page, the body. Yeah. In this part of this here, you can, for example, let me show you. You can write h1, then you write hello world. This is like the structure. For example, let me learn it and show you how it works. Let's go live. Hello world. As you can see here, this is our first word we typed. Hello world. This is our web page. So if you want to style it, you can come here, then say background. This is the whole page codes. Then you can make it black. Then as you can see here, the background is black. So let's edit h1 color. Let's make it chan. Then font size, let's make it 50 pixels. Text area center. Now, as you can see here, we've shifted this and we designed it like this. So this is how we do it. HTML is used for structure, then style is style, cascading style sheet, or CSS is used for some designs, coloring, spacing, margins, like how to visualize it. So guys, thank you. This is the end of our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and even subscribe.